Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to consolidate data in Excel or by working with data from 3 months. As you can see, February, January, February and March. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to combine data from multiple sheets into one summary table. Let's get started. So as you can see here, I have a first sheet for January and the second sheet and the third sheet for March, as you can see, and here is the total in one sheet. So when you click here, as you can see, I have March, January and February, and here is the total. The same way for maintenance, there is a total for rent. So first, make sure you have your data organized in a separate sheet for each month, right? So I will delete this. So next, create a new sheet in your workbook and name it consolidation. This is where we'll combine all the data. New sheet, new name, enter. So now go to data and click data consolidation or consolidate. In the dialog box that appears, select sum from here. Then click here to add the first table. Go to the first month and select the table like this. Then click here again. Then click add. Right? As you can see, the first table added. The same way, click here again and select the second one. Click here again and click add. The same way, select the last table. Click here again and click add. So after selecting the range from each sheet, make sure to check the boxes for top row and left column, alright, to use the labels as references. Select all. Once you've added all the ranges, click OK. You should now see a summary table with the totals for invoices, maintenance and rent for 3 months. Let's adjust this. As you can see, let's give it a color, for example. As you can see here, now when I click on the plus icon, right, so When I click here, it is the first month, March, January and February, and here is the total for 3 months. The same way for maintenance, January, February, March, and there is the total. The same way for rent. Alright, go to view, to disable the guidelines, the same way, guidelines, and that's it. You successfully consolidated your data in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tutorials. See you next time.